In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon or promo code when checking out on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned Amazon shopper or new to the online shopping world, applying a promo code is a fantastic way to save some extra cash. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you're ready to harness those savings next time you shop. First, you'll want to add any eligible items you wish to purchase to your cart. Remember, coupon codes only apply to items that qualify, so make sure your selections are eligible for the discount. Keeping an eye on product details can help you avoid any surprises when you try to apply the code later on. Once you've filled your cart with all the goodies you want, it's time to proceed to checkout. You'll typically find a button or link allowing you to begin the checkout process, often labeled as Proceed to Checkout. Clicking this will take you to the order summary and payment page. This is where the magic happens. On the order summary or payment page, look carefully for a field designated for entering a gift card, voucher, or promotion code. It might be labeled slightly differently, but it's generally something like gift card, voucher, or promotion code, or add a gift card or promotion code. This field is your key to unlocking those discounts. Now it's time to enter your promo code. Type the code exactly as given, double-checking for any typos or unnecessary spaces because even the slightest mistake can prevent the code from being accepted. Take your time here. Ensuring the code is entered perfectly will save you a potential headache down the line. Once you've entered the code accurately, click the Apply button. This is when you'll want to pay close attention to your order total. Verify that the discount has indeed been applied and is reflected accurately in your new total before completing the purchase. If the discount doesn't show up, retrace your steps to make sure the code was entered correctly and that it applies to the items in your cart. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to add a coupon or promo code when checking out on Amazon, allowing you to enjoy some great savings. By being mindful of these instructions, you can make sure you're getting the most out of your shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.